जिनके नाम से ज्यादा उनके किरदार के नाम से उन्हें जाना जाता है। लाजमी है कि ऐसे किरदारों को सफल बनाने वाले अभिनेता सभी के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत बन जाते हैं। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं टेलीविजन जगत की सबसे चहेती अभिनेत्रियों में से एक दिव्यांका त्रिपाठी दहिया के बारे में। Known for her acting skills, Divyanka Tripathi Dahiya is a popular actress in the television world. She has acted in a couple of TV soaps and mesmerized the audience with her performances. टेलीविजन जगत में अपनी शुरुआत दिव्यांका ने बनू मैं तेरी दुल्हन से की थी and after that she became a household name by acting in the daily soap ये है मोहब्बतें। उनका इशिमा का किरदार आज भी लोगों के मन में ताजी याद के रूप में बसा हुआ है। लेकिन ये बात बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि उससे भी पहले इन चीजों की तैयारी शुरू हो चुकी थी। दिव्यांका started her career as an anchor on All India Radio Bhopal. She participated in Pantene Zee Teen Queen in 2003 and won the title of Miss Beautiful Skin. हम दिव्यांका को उनके अभिनय के लिए हमेशा चर्चा में देखते हैं, पर असल में उन्हें अपने जीवन में एक आर्मी ऑफिसर बनना था। In fact, you'll be surprised to know acting was never on her list. To work towards her dream, she enrolled herself in Bhopal Rifle Academy. She went on to prove her mettle as a rifle shooter and even won a gold medal in the sport. But before she could take another step towards joining the military, she bagged a local show as a host, and this opportunity changed the entire course of her career. Post that, Divyanka went on to participate in a few talent contests, the highlight being her participation in the 2004 Zee Cinestar Ki Khoj, a nationwide talent hunt. After 2 years of Cinestar Ki Khoj, Divyanka signed her debut show Bano Main Teri Dulhan as the female lead. In the daily soap, she proved her versatility as an actor. She started off as a shy village girl, and after a leap, she was shown as this modern independent woman. Divyanka wanted to explore genres and not to be stuck in Saas Bahu dramas all her life. That explains her step to take up comedy shows like Comedy Circus, Mrs. and Mr. Sharma Allahabad Wale, and Chintu Chinky or Ek Badi Si Love Story. In 2013, Divyanka stepped into the character that is known for nationwide Ishita Raman Bhalla from Ye Hai Mohabbatein. In this daily soap, she was shown as the epitome of an ideal bahu, beti, mother-in-law and friend. And this character has helped her become one of the most loved Indian TV celebrities. Divyanka dated actor Sharad Malhotra, her co-star from Bano Main Teri Dulhan. They were in a relationship until 2015. On 16th January 2016, she got engaged to her Ye Hai Mohabbatein co-star Vivek Dahiya. The couple got married on 8th July 2016 in Bhopal. On the sets of Nach Baliye, Divyanka revealed that her love story was made by her two fangirls. In 2017, she participated in Nach Baliye 8 with her husband Vivek Dahiya and won the show. On the show, she was injured and the audience accused her of a fake injury. However, she posted a video to provide evidence that the injury was real. In 2019, Tripathi hosted Star Plus's singing reality show The Voice 3. Every time she steps out, she turns heads with her stylish looks. Her Instagram page gives us the glimpses of her different avatars. We absolutely love browsing through her profile and observed a wonderful change in her personality. She has completely come a long way. She looks completely different in her first post on Instagram when compared with the last one, obviously, but the transformation is truly commendable. उनके प्रशंसक अक्सर उनके हर एक अवतार और हर एक काम की सराहना करने में बिल्कुल नहीं चूकते। Indian television's reigning queen Divyanka Tripathi is not as homely and demure as her on-screen avatar Dr. Ishita Bhalla. From winning awards for her acting excellence to being the most followed Indian TV actress on Instagram and more, Divyanka Tripathi aka Ye Hai Mohabbatein Ishita has come a long way. She was loved for her role of Nitya in Old Balaji's Cold Lassi और चिकन मसाला। सफलता और उस तक जाने वाली राह हमेशा से ही दिव्यांका के लिए तैयार रही है। However, unlike most of the others in the league, she managed to stay as grounded and soft-spoken as she was when she entered the TV industry, which was more than a decade now. दिव्यांका की तस्वीरें और वीडियोस उनके प्रशंसकों के बीच कुछ ही पलों में वायरल हो जाती हैं। With millions of followers on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, Divyanka is considered the social media queen of the small screen. The actress credits these qualities to the ups and downs she faced in her career so far. हम आशा करते हैं कि दिव्यांका इसी तरह से सफलता की सीढ़ियों को यादगार किरदारों से सजाती रहे और साथ ही अपने जीवन में प्रगति करती जाए। दिव्यांका के जर्नी के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है और इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है, लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Tele Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.